Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see your backup photos in Google Photo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So your photos in your device will be backed up in your Google account. So to check that, you need to simply go in your photos section. Once you go to there, you can find your album right over here. So simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you can find an option called backing up to a different account. So simply tap on it and this will show you that where your photos have been backed up. So if you have not chosen any account, you can simply choose an account from this option as well. So once you want to back up your photos, you can switch the toggle to the right hand side. If you don't want to back up, then you can switch the toggle to the left hand side. So by doing this, you can simply check where your photos have been backed up in your Google Photos or which account it is in your Google Photo. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.